Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to write a report on a road accident. So here, why writing a clear accident report matters. Aid claims and legalities. Accurate reports are vital for navigating insurance claims, supporting legal processes, and ensuring fair outcomes. Protect your right. A meticulous documented report safeguards your interests and provides a crucial evidence for investigation. Ensure safety, detailed records, and contribute to understanding accidents causes leading to crucial safety improvements on roads. Capture details, recording information calmly and thoroughly immediately after the incident is paramount for accuracy and completeness. Step 1, gather essential information at the scene. Accident specifics. Note the precise date, time, exact location of the collision, driver details, collect names, addresses, driver's license number, insurance information for all involved parties, vehicle information, record make, model, color, license plate numbers, and detailed description of or vehicle damage, witness and visual, secure contact information from any witness, and capture comprehensive photos or video of the scene. So step 2 is describe the sequence of events clearly. A chronological account narrative the entire incident in a precise chronological order detailing action before, during, and after impact. So conditions and signals, and also record the vehicle movement and of course the damage and injuries. Document any observed injuries to individuals and describe all property damage, no matter how minor. Usage structures format for your report. Factual summary. Begin with a concise summary answering the fundamental question who, what, and when, and where. Then detailed narrative. Provide a comprehensive narrative. Explain the precise circumstance and how the accident unfolded. And witness account. Incorporate any witness statement, noting their contact details and how their accounts corroborate or differ. Visual aid. Attach diagrams or stickers that accurately illustrate vehicle positions, directions of travel, and impact points. So here, step 4, review and submit your report. Verify accuracy. Sign and date. Ensure the report is properly signed and dated, adding authenticity to your documentation. Prompt submission. Submit the final report to both the police and your insurance company without delay. Retain copies. Always keep your multiple copies for your personal records and follow up as necessary to confirm recipient. Final tip for effective accident reporting. Stay objective. Maintain a calm and objective tone. Avoid assigning blame or expressing emotional opinion in your report. Clear language. Use a simple, concise language. Avoid technical jargon or overly complex phrasing for clarity. Document immediately. Record all details as soon as possible after the accident while your memory is still fresh and precise. Key evidence. Remember that your detailed report service is critical evidence for resolving claims and disputes effectively. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just type it down in the comment section below, guys. I will be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.